Highgate and we're at the very early stages of redoing a lovely hallway. We're doing some electrics, we're doing some flooring, and we're refreshing the walls. Let's show you guys what it's all about. We've just started covering up the site. We've covered up his equipment. He's a stock trader, a client here.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Give me some tape. Make sure it's nice and straight. So we're about to cover the entrance, and the guys have gone out to get some more core extras because unfortunately we've ran out. So we've got some black tape to match, and the reason being is because we pay attention to detail.
Okay, so we're here in Highgate in the basement office room, and it started off with only 2 lights. The room was really dim, so we turned them to 7 lights on 2 separate circuits.
So here we're using a laser to perfect the exact place of where we're planning to put the holes in the ceiling for the downlights, also known as spotlights. We have Hassan measuring up each circle so that we can make sure that it's reflected using the laser.
So we started off by marking out all the lights. We had to equal them out into the room so they look good as well to the eye, not just brightness. And then we ran all the cables. We ran the 2 loops and then ran them to the switchboard so they can have the office side on while the other side is off. And then we started fitting the lights one by one.
After Hassan has finished his electrics, we tape up the whole area and we sand and fill any imperfections that are in the ceiling. And once that's ready, we start painting to make sure it is perfect. My dad taught me how to paint. So I used to go to work with him when I was like 10 or 11. And I didn't get paid, I just went for the fun of it, you know. I liked being with my dad. And then it got me getting involved. Where was we going? Just to like people's houses, like the customers that he had. And they all used to love me as well. They all used to buy me sweets and stuff like that. Because I find it interesting, you know. There's always something different. It's never the same job. Like you might think painting is the same everywhere, but not everywhere wants the same quality of painting or the same colour or anything really.
We came into the property in Highgate where we're redoing the entrance, and we realised that behind the panelling that they initially had, when we took off the pieces of wood, the structure was in terrible state. There was loads of bricks falling apart. We had to literally restructure. So the client didn't want to rebuild because it's a listed building, so we've had to put metal rods in I believe it was about every 50 centimeters, and we had that really reinforced. And then once that was done, we mixed a bit of ballast with a bit of cement, and we had it filled. So once that was all complete, then we were able to bond and then multi-finish, plaster. And the next process is painting, paneling from new, tiling and skirting boards. Can't wait to show you the end result. We're done. Everything's finalized. It looks amazing. The client's really happy. So we have done exactly what we were aiming to do. We've turned their vision into reality.
Yeah, so we initially got Luxe Refurbs to do the bathroom. We were really impressed with the outcome, so we got them to come back and do the hallway. So our plan is to refurbish the kitchen and our front room early next year. So we're going to get the team back to do that for us, and we've already started talking about some ideas and timelines and things.
The politeness and the professionalism of the team was just second to none. We've been working from home throughout the whole of this pandemic, and it was barely noticeable, and when it was really polite, really respectful of, times we needed it to be quiet, and I couldn't recommend that highly enough.
Yeah, we would definitely recommend Luxe Refurbs. I think the fact that we're going to use them again for some quite big projects is sort of testament to how well we've worked with them, and the outcome and the finish and the quality. So yeah, we would definitely recommend them.